Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I trim my transitioning hair. First, I am starting out by dividing my hair into two sections and parting my hair right down the middle, as you can see. And from each section, I am taking a section from each half. And I'm basically just going to go in and trim as much as I feel that is needed. And I'm just going to go in and trim with some hair shears that I did purchase from Sally's, which were pretty expensive. I believe they were like 50 bucks, but they're very good shears. So definitely want to only use shears that are of professional quality and are for cutting your hair only and nothing else, so that you won't cause additional split ends. But I'm just going through and I'm going to cut. And I'm basically going to use the section that I've previously cut to measure out where I want to cut my next piece, as you can see. And I'm just using that as a guide to trim my next section, as you will see as I go and trim each section. And I am currently 20 months post relaxer, so I'm almost at my 2-year mark. I'm not sure when I'm going to big chop. I might big chop at the end of August. That would put me at my 2-year mark of transitioning, but if possible, I do want to hold off because I just don't want short hair. It's just not for me. So if I can stretch my big chop as long as I can, I'm happy. So hopefully maybe I can make it to the 2.5-year mark, the 3-year mark, but I'm not sure, but we'll see. And this is just how I cut my hair. I'm not saying this is the right way, but I'm not a professional. Just want everybody to know that, so don't come for me. But I'm just doing what I know how to do, because I'm not trying to go to the hair salon and have them get my hair all tangled and charge me all types of money for something that I'm doing by myself at the moment, because at the end of the day, I'm going to big chop anyway. So it's really no point in paying somebody else to do this. So I just learned how to do it myself, and this is just how I'm doing it, you know? But this is very self-explanatory. I'm just speeding through this, otherwise it's going to be like a 20-minute long video. And you know, I like my videos to be right straight and to the point, so I'm not going to over talk it. I'm just going to let everybody watch and you'll see the results in the end.